आजकल ये काफी डिस्कशन चल रहा है स्पेशली स्टूडेंट फ्रेटर्निटी में कि हम स्टार्टअप कंपनी ज्वाइन करें या कोई एमएनसी कंपनी ज्वाइन करें। शायद इसके ऊपर काफी वीडियोस भी ऑलरेडी बन चुके हैं, बट आई वांटेड टू क्रिएट अ रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम माय ओन लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस। After having worked for a decade with MNCs like Citi and Barclays and being an entrepreneur after that for another decade, I have some understanding of the pros and cons on both sides and what are the traits required for you to be successful here and for you to be successful there. So I have arrived at what I call as a 3A method and I want you to assess yourself against this 3A method. तो पहला A है attitude. आपका attitude अगर risk taking attitude है, मतलब high risk, high return, then startup is a good space for you. But if you're risk averse, low risk, low return chalega, then MNC job is a better place for you to be in. Second A is aptitude. If you have the aptitude of being a jack of all, मतलब अगर आप में curiosity है नया सीखने की, अलग अलग चीजों के बारे में जानकारी रखना आपको अच्छा लगता है, if you are a jack of all, then startup is the right space for you. But if you believe in being a master of one, if you want to go deeper into one thing and master that, then MNC is where you will flourish. The third A is altitude. आप कितनी ऊंचाई तक जाना चाहते हैं? If you are somebody who's all in or all out, मतलब extreme mindset, then startup is where you will feel and enjoy that fire in your belly. But if you are somebody who likes to have sustainable, stable life, predictable life, then MNC is the right place for you. Most importantly, always consider people around you in your inner circle who you are responsible for. Money is an important resource to look at depending upon the phase of life that you are in. But money can also be created from both or either of these worlds, startup as well as MNC. So let that not be the only decision-making criteria. Use this 3A process and I'm sure by the end of this you will be crystal clear about which direction to take. And once you decide that, then give your 100% commitment and do that job with 100% honesty.